Insane Ikea Kallax hack.
Oh wow.
Step 1. Saw off the excess top and bottom boards. Remove everything below this board. Move the right side board over here. Clamp accurately a piece of wood to act as saw guide. Leave 1 inch, do not saw through. Turn Kallax over. Saw and leave 1 inch, just like before. Lay Kallax flat on the floor. Complete the cut for this board. And the remaining board. Remove the top and bottom boards and the partitions. Carefully, take out the right side board. Step 2. Saw the partition boards. Mark accurately the positions. Then saw the 2 boards to the exact same length. Step 3. Reassemble the modified Kallax. Check the alignments and make sure everything fits. Drill and fix long screws to secure the partitions. Step 4. Remake the ends of the top and bottom boards. IKEA wood is stuffed with paper. You cannot use it to hold screws. The solid wood is at the side, so you need to secure the screws there. Due to hollow structure, it is important to install additional brackets. Finally, we need to cover up this horrible thing. Here is an ingenious idea: we just need scrap wood.